Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make coffee on a French press. First, ensure you have your French press, fresh coffee, and hot water ready. Grinding your beans just before brewing is key for flavor. Aim for a coarse grind like breadcrumbs to prevent over-extraction and bitterness. Heating your water to the right temperature, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, is crucial for a perfect cup. Let's get brewing. Now let's add the coffee. A good starting point is 1 part coffee to 16 parts water, but feel free to adjust to your taste. Pour just enough hot water to cover the grounds, letting them bloom for about 30 seconds. This allows the coffee to degas, enhancing the flavor. Give it a gentle stir to make sure all the grounds are fully saturated. This step is vital for a rich, even extraction.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. And on another note, just like a good cup of coffee makes your morning, a fresh car scent makes your drive. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
After the bloom, pour in the rest of your hot water, filling the French press to your preferred level. Place the lid on, but don't press yet. Let the coffee steep for exactly 4 minutes. This steeping time is crucial for developing the full flavor. Once 4 minutes are up, slowly and steadily press the plunger all the way down. Avoid rushing this step to prevent disturbing the grounds. Your delicious French press coffee is now ready. Serve it immediately to enjoy the best flavor and prevent it from becoming bitter. If you're not drinking it all right away, pour the remaining coffee into a separate carafe. This stops the brewing process. Remember to clean your French press thoroughly after each use with warm, soapy water to keep it in top condition for your next brew. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.